Not liking the new blood effects in CS2? No worries, you can just switch them off with a breeze. And in this video, I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive in. First, you have to enable the developer mode console. To do that, fire up CS2 on your computer. Then click on the gear icon from the top left corner of the screen to bring up the settings. Next, switch to the game tab. Now, at the top, you will find the option to enable developer console. To turn it on, just click the box next to it and select yes. And console will be enabled for you. Now press the backtick key or the one below escape to bring it up. Next, type in R_clear decals in the console and press enter. And no blood will be shown from now on. So that's how you remove blood in CS2 from your computer. Like what you saw? Smash that like button. And if you're hungry for more CS2 tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks a bunch for watching and see you in the next one.